Friends, please have a look on the whiteboard. I listed some words here as you can use in pre-listening stage. The first one is pre-teaching. I mean, before starting your teaching, you can pre-teach some. I mean, you can ask for some questions about the text, and you can in this pre-teach them about it. And aside number two, how will you teach vocabulary? Why and how? I mean, if they find any new word and if they listen, it will be very hard because they don't know the meaning of the word. That's why we have to clarify the meanings before they listen. Okay. Three, predicting context. I mean, from before listening, they will understand what they are going to learn. তারা আগে বুঝতে পারবে তারা কি শিখতে যাচ্ছে। And generating interest, how is it? I mean, the teacher will ask the students about lesson related questions. As I asked Asad, I asked Firoz. So when the teacher asks the students about the topic, they will be interested in the lesson. Okay? And that is called personalization. I mean, that a link should be created between the text with the student's daily life. Okay? This is called personification. And you can add true false, you can add realia. What's realia, Hima? What's realia? Huh? We can say illustration উপকরণ ছবি. Okay, we can show the pictures before they listen. Flashcard like this, stuff like this. Okay, and in while listening you can correct errors if some of them make mistake. You just share the answers and correct the errors in while listening. You can also give some gap filling type activities or MCQ questions or massing, okay, or other stuff like this. Okay, thank you.